The government today has approved two startups in the field of technical textiles with a grant of nearly 50 lakh rupees under the GREAT scheme. President Draupadi Murmu today called upon agricultural scientists to devise new plans in accordance with the present times to protect the farmers from challenges like natural disasters, climate change, and the misutilization of natural resources. Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw today inspected a newly built road-cum-rail vehicle at the New Delhi railway station premises. The Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. following a ruckus by the opposition after BJP MP Nishikant Dubey made certain allegations against top Congress leaders. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today congratulated the men's junior hockey team on winning the Junior Asia Cup 2024 title.